Wow.
This cat was huddled in the freezing cold, crying for help. Thin and sick with a runny nose, she needed help fast. We named her Confetti. She was missing teeth, and her gums were bleeding, causing a great deal of pain. And right now, there are thousands of cats in New York City who are suffering with dental disease.
It hurts to eat? Yeah, hurts to eat.
Around 70% of all cats over 4 years of age will require some type of dental work. If left untreated, it can have devastating consequences. But dental procedures for pets often cost thousands of dollars, putting this service out of reach for most New Yorkers. So I'm asking for your help to do something big that will give more cats access to the life-saving care they need.